Hello guys, welcome to Algebra. Look at this and look at this. If you find the difference between them, the only difference is there is no numeric symbol. That symbol is x. X turns arithmetic into algebra. So, algebra is not about letters. Algebra is about thinking with unknowns. And once you understand that, algebra becomes simple. Arithmetic answers questions like, what is 2 plus 3? And algebra answers questions like, what number make this true? That's a completely different mindset. In algebra, letters represent numbers we don't know yet. Not mysterious, not complicated, just unknown. So, if I write x plus 3 equals 5, I'm saying there exists a number x, which when you add plus 3 gives 5. Your job is to find x. A variable is a symbol representing a number. In math, we know most commonly variables, that is, x, y, a, b, c, and etc. They all mean the same thing. A number we don't know yet, or a number that can change. For example, if you have a letter x just equal to, we get x plus 3 equal what? So, we substitute letter x into the equation, we get 2 plus 3. What is 2 plus 3 equals 5? So, variables are placeholders for numbers, nothing more. This is extremely important. An expression has no equal sign. You cannot solve them. You can only simplify or evaluate them. An equation has an equal sign. Equations make a claim. Two things are equal. Your job is to find when that claim is true. Algebra is a language. You must learn translation that make sentence becomes expression or equations. So we take a look at this example. A number plus 5. First, we must determine a number become x. So we get x, there is a plus 5. Twice a number, that means 2 times a number. 3 more than twice a number. It means twice a number and 3 more. A number is twice of 5. A number become x is become equal twice of 5. Whatever you do to one side of an equation, you must do to the other side. Why? Because equations are balanced. For example, x plus 3 equal 5. You are saying both sides are equal weight. So, if you subtract 3 from the left, then you must subtract 3 from the right to keep balance. Then you have x equals 2. That's algebra. Let's we get some exercise. X plus 7 equals 12. The goal is we must isolate x. First, we subtract 7 from both sides. Then it becomes x equals 5 to x equals 10. First, we divide both sides by 2. Then we get 2 divided by 2 equals 1. Then 10 divided by 2 equals 5. So x equals 5. 2x plus 3 equals 11. First, we subtract 3 to the both sides. Then we get 2x equals 8. And then we divide both sides by 2. It becomes x equals 4. So we must always remove addition or subtraction first, then multiplication and division. If you have this equation, then 3 is called coefficient. X is known as a variable. Coefficients always with x. It multiplies the variable. Then 5 is the constant. It does not with x, and it's separated by the symbol subtract or the plus sign. You can only combine like terms. Like terms have the same variable part. For example, this equation have same variable part, that is x, and this is x. We can combine this. 2 plus 3 equals 5, then we put x. But if you find something like this expression cannot combine. The variable does not match exactly. If you have something like this, you can only combine these terms. So we get 4x plus y. Then we cannot combine these terms. This is one of the most powerful tools, that is distributive property. If you have a parenthesis with inside an operation like addition or subtraction, then you got something like this. For example, if you have 2 times x plus 3 like this, then you multiply into both of them. You get 2 times x plus 2 times 3. Then you have 2x plus 6. So, distribution removes parentheses. Parentheses means multiplication. Always. May you ask, why algebra matters? Algebra lets us describe reality. For example, distance. Distance is v times t. It describes a distance between two objects. Every science formula is algebra. Algebra is the language of physics, engineering, economics, programming, etc. Without algebra, modern technology does not exist. That's why algebra matters. Some of you may forget distribution, like, but your answer is, it's wrong, because you must multiply to the both number. It becomes this is the most common mistakes for beginner. If you still do this, then change your habits. So if you have something like this, you just remove 2, then this equal to x, it falls. You must think the 2 as the half. Then you can use distribution. It becomes, this is the correct answer.